Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting direct access. Plug your computer into the router with an Ethernet cable for reliability. Once connected, open a browser and enter the router IP address because a failed login wastes time. Use the admin username and password, watch case and punctuation, then sign in. Make sure the router firmware version is visible. Updates can change menu labels, so note it. After you're logged in, move immediately to System Tools or Administration to find the backup controls. Once in the admin interface, navigate to System Tools, then Backup and Restore. Different TP-Link models may label it slightly differently. Click the Backup button to export the configuration. This action captures settings like SSID, passwords, DHCP leases, and firewall rules. Name the file with the router model and date so you can track versions, and save the bin or CFG file to a known folder. Make sure the saved file is non-zero size. This confirms the export completed. Keep notes on To finish, copy the config file to at least 2 locations, an encrypted local folder and a separate backup like a USB drive or cloud storage. This prevents loss if a single device fails. When you need to restore, log back into the GUI, choose Restore, and select the file that matches the router model and firmware. Mismatched firmware can break settings. If something goes wrong, factory reset the router, reapply essential settings manually, then try restoring the file again. That sequence often resolves corruption issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.